about. Got to drive more by more when I'm balling out. Goals in my name, no red, you can holler out. Come and jump in the sand, though. Don't try to see if you really got them love handles. Or we can keep it rocking all night like a band do. Come and holler at me, we could go get candles. Well, I know
What's up, trendsetters? So today is January 26, 2022. I hope I've been saying 2022. If I haven't, I'll make sure to put it down below. If I have still been saying 2021, comment down below if you guys do that when it's a fresh new year. If you still comment the prior year for like, I don't know, usually like the first month. I think people forget. But yeah, got a call. It's 10:45. I report to work at like 8:30, so I wasn't even in there good. I just finished, you know, sipping down my coffee because I take my time on my coffee. I was getting into a little bit of a groove in there, and next thing you know, I get a call. Jeremiah threw up. So it usually takes me only like 15 minutes to get to the kids, set things up like that on purpose. So here I am. I'm getting ready to go in and go get him and see what's going on with him. It's just an upset stomach. No COVID, thank God. So yeah, I'm on my way to go get him, and I'll come back at you guys later. It's probably a good thing for you guys because I will probably use this time to edit and get some cleaning done and disinfecting the house, things that I really I need to do, and laundry and other stuff. So it's not like I won't be working. So yeah, I'll come back at you guys later. I really gotta go get them. All right, bye. What's up, trendsetters? It is now later in the day. It's after 4. So it's after 4, and it's later in the day, and we're here to get Juliana. So yeah, I'm just waiting in the car. Her daddy went up there. He's the one that usually goes to get her. So yeah, we're just waiting, and then we're gonna try and get something to for dinner. And maybe I will unbox our new air fryer / rotisserie oven for you guys that we were gifted for Christmas. I'll come back to you later. All right, later, trendsetters. What's up, trendsetters? So it's later in the day. I'm getting ready to unbox my Chefman French door air fryer and oven for you. So here it is. I was gifted this air fryer oven by my sister. So it looks like the box looks huge. Like if I put my hand up to it to kind of like give you guys like perspective. This is not one of those little round ones. It looks really like big. I know it can do rotisserie, oven, a few other things. So I'm gonna open this up. And guys, I'm recording. All right. So just really big. Alright. Ooh, it's heavy too, so whether he likes it or not, Randall is going to have to come and help. Oh my goodness. Randall, it's in a whole other box. I need your help. Alright, it looks like we've got some pieces here. I'm definitely gonna need instruction manual, but these look like the rotisserie. These look like the rotisserie pieces for sure. So this is what the size of it is looking like. It's really a nice size. It takes up the whole counter over here. So I'm gonna miss my counter space with this thing out, but yeah, it's a nice size oven. Luckily it fits underneath the cabinet, so I think it should be good. Let's pop it open and see what's in there. Alright, so the doors are taped and looks like there's a basket and all types of things. I'm definitely gonna have to get the instruction manual to kind of like see what some of this stuff is inside of there, like the different baskets and things, which I think is for like the air frying. So yeah. This would have been perfect if we had this for Thanksgiving, because the struggle for Thanksgiving was beyond real. So, just trying to get through this packaging here. They have a lot of tape on the doors. And just trying to get everything open here. So that I'm gonna have to figure out right away, because you can't just pull, looks like you can't just pull the doors open, I don't think. I don't know. Okay, they do. So, whoa, quicker they open, they're closing. So, gotta be careful with those. No, guys, this thing kind of scares me. It's huge. It's like a whole other oven. So, it looks like we've got another basket in here. Looks like there's a tray here at the bottom. And, yeah, so looks like, yeah, we've got another basket here, probably for when we're frying. And I am gonna have to take a peek at the instruction manual, because there's a lot going on here. And it looks like we have that right here. So I am gonna get my hands on that and finish working on getting this plastic off of these parts here. Alright, so looks like we got a timer on this thing. Temperature set. I think you guys are blurring out, but you can see broil, rotisserie, air fry, baked toast, convection oven, keep warm. So yeah, and that's the capacity, what the capacity of it is looking like. Those doors are scary. I'm not really filling these doors. Maybe I'm doing this wrong, but the doors, the way they just fly open like that, I don't really like that. I could see on the sides in here, and there's a light, but it's not plugged in. But on the sides, I can see where you connect the rotisserie. Anyways, I don't want to bore you guys while I review the instruction manual, but I'm going to review the instruction manual, and then I'm going to get it set up for rotisserie and put my steaks in and show you guys what I've been marinating my steaks in, and get them ready for the rotisserie. Alright guys. Okay, not the most appetizing looking, but these are my steaks here. I've had them marinating in Mojo, Criollo, and Sazon Complete. So, they've been marinating, and I'm going to get ready and thread them through the rotisserie spits to get them all ready for the oven. Alright, so I got them threaded. I think this was not easy to do at all by any means. I hope. I'm gonna get Randall to put the spits on the end, and I just hope everything just kind of like stays together. I'm kind of worried about this. This is my first time doing this. I know some people don't like to look at raw meat, so I'm sorry. But yeah, it was not easy to thread these things on there. Alright, so let's get the spits on these things, and then on these steaks, and then get them in the rotisserie. Alright, y'all, so I got it plugged in. Just try out the light here. Ooh, look how bright it is, y'all. Oh, these doors. I'll get the hang of these doors. Look how bright it is in there. That's really, really bright. Oh my goodness. Now you can really see like how much space is in there. Really bright light. Alright, y'all, so it's in there. It's looking a little dark now because the meat is in there. But let me see if I can adjust the ISO. There we go. Y'all see a little. I don't know how good you could see it, but it's in there now. So we're gonna get the rotisserie setting going and get it cooking. Yeah, see that? So, I don't know how long you think, and we're gonna set it to rotisserie. There it goes, it's rotating, y'all. It's turning. I know it doesn't look the most appetizing. Uh-oh, we're about to lose a piece, I think. A piece of fat in there. There it goes. It's turning, y'all. I'm excited. Doesn't look the most appetizing, I know, so I'm gonna get it off the camera because I know it does not look appetizing right now. But we'll come back to you guys when it's done cooking for a little bit. Alright, y'all.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, it's just turning. Alright, y'all, so this is how it's looking in the oven. It's a little different from how I usually eat my steak. You can see all the juices down there, so it's very juicy. Hope it's equally flavorful. I think I'm gonna take it out because it's getting really, really done. And I usually eat my steaks on kind of on the rare side. It doesn't look the most appetizing, but I know once Randall gets it plated up, it's gonna look good. And we've got salad. Yes, I'm trying to get my healthy back. My son Randall. He always makes like really super indulgent food, so I'm trying to kind of like chill out a little bit, y'all, and get back to my salads and things. So yeah, we got a nice salad here with spring mix, carrots, some asparagus in there, green beans, arugula, and I think spinach, and I think romaine. I think that's what makes up the spring mix. But looks good. With the, oh yeah, and we've got roasted tomatoes in there also. Sun-dried tomatoes. That's what it is. I'm tired, y'all. Alright, Randall's gonna get everything plated up and we'll come back to you guys. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is how it's looking fresh out of the rotisserie. Looking nice and juicy, and Randall's gonna start slicing it up and getting it all plated up. Look at how juicy that is. I wanted the fat on this steak to get a little crisp, but yeah, I wanted it to sear a little more, but it did sear a little bit. But the one thing about rotisserie I've noticed is it will get cooked inside faster. So we got to figure out how to get that rare going, but it looks nice and juicy, guys. I'm gonna get him to slice it up. Alright, y'all, not bad for a first attempt. What you think? Not too bad for a first attempt with rotisserie steak. So, I'm about to dig in. Alright, trendsetters, that's been my first time unboxing my Chefman air fryer and oven. Yeah, air fryer and oven all in one. And I'm getting ready to get it in and eat this steak and this salad. And I'll catch you guys later. Catch you guys next time, trendsetters. Peace.